Hello, my name is Daisy Lorena Lozada Banguero. Pedation Little, I'm from Colorado, Cauca. I live in Roleiro. I'm 32 years old. Listening to music. I live my mother and my little brother. I study industrial engineering. My favorite programs the Grabando story. My family is made up of 3 people with me. My mother is Nancy Banguero, as 52 years old, and she's an housewife. Westbound is from the Colorado, Cauca. My mother and the brown skin the liapis. My eyes our child femme brown hit ends. The best woman is the word I love you. I little brother is Jair Fernando Fori Banguero. Standing 2 years old, he was shopping in Ancolo from. He was born in Cali. Various mouse at the time High Cauca. He had about skin, one day brows, cyclopus, and handsome hand my check. Thank you. Bye bye.